Yamina Ben Sheikh is breathless and angry. She is one of the thousands of apparent victims of a medicine her nutritionist prescribed for weight loss. Instead, she says, she's now suffered damage to her heart valves and is constantly exhausted. But she may be lucky to be alive, since French medical agencies estimate that between 500 and 2,000 people here who took the drug called Mediator died from it. Mediator, made by the French company Servier, was originally meant to be a treatment for diabetes, but for years French doctors also prescribed it to curb appetites, believing it safe, even though regulatory agencies in other countries, such as the U.S. and Switzerland, banned it because of the heart problem associated with it. The medicine was finally banned in France in 2009. A lawyer for dozens of people who believe they are victims of Mediator says that they believe the company tried to cover up the drug's dangers.
It's not about money. First, they want to be recognized as victims, and they want someone to be responsible.
Meanwhile, the company lawyer says his client admits there are problems with Mediator, but insists there was no attempt to hide them.
The responsibilities will be assumed, in priority the financial responsibilities. But the company should not be condemned before they have been judged, and others should accept that the truth can appear during an inquest, a trial, which will be long, complete, and independent.
The company says it's setting up a €20 million compensation fund for victims, but will fight the criminal charges of fraud and involuntary manslaughter. The Mediator case has once again thrown a harsh light on the whole system of regulating medicines in France, especially the relationship between the pharmaceutical companies and the regulators. Government officials are now calling for an overhaul of the system for safety as well as financial reasons. Since more than 5 million people here have taken Mediator over the past 33 years, it could end up costing the company and the public health system a great deal in terms of long-term care. Madame Ben Sheikh, who is joining the legal case against the company, knows another cost: lost confidence. When you go to doctors, she says, you go to feel better, and you put your trust in them. Now, I no longer trust them. Jim Bitterman, CNN, Paris.